In this video, we are going to be talking about a commercial cleaning starter kit Pro Edition. Now, I have posted a previous video on my channel about a commercial cleaning starter kit under $200. I essentially did start off with dollar store products from Walmart, and pretty much any, inexpensive type of products that I could possibly find. Totally cool to start off with the bare minimum of what you need to get you to the next level. You don't have to feel the need to go ahead and jump into professional equipment if you cannot afford it. Now, if you can afford and have money to invest initially, then absolutely go for the Pro supplies and equipment that we're going to be talking about in this video. Had I had the money to fund the business or to invest, I absolutely would have went straight to professional cleaning products. Now, the professional tools and equipment that I'm going to be discussing in this video are going to help you clean more effectively and efficiently. Now, what does that mean? That means that you are going to be cleaning less, okay? It takes less time to vacuum a floor with a backpack vacuum versus an upright versus a broom and dustpan. Just always be sure to reinvest the money into your business, especially in the beginning, so that you can clean more effectively and efficiently. First item on our list is going to be microfiber cloths that are color coded. You want to have different colored cloths so that way you know what areas you're going to be using in them. So we have orange, blue, green, and any other colors that you can possibly think of. Now, what you want to do is keep different rags for different surfaces. So you can have a glass rag, you can have rags that are only used in bathrooms, you can have rags that are only used in kitchens, and so forth. The point of having different colored microfiber rags is so that you don't have any cross-contamination. Next item on my list is going to be a Pro Team backpack vacuum with the replacement bag and extension cord. Now, this is a favorite of mine. I only purchase Pro Team backpacks just because they've worked out so well for me. They are at a decent price point and they do an amazing job. Now, with the Pro Team backpack, you're going to save yourself time. This is using an upright vacuum versus using a dustpan and a broom. Now, the great thing about these backpacks are that they can be used versatilely, meaning that you can use them in homes, you can use them on your commercial accounts, you can use them in post-construction cleaning, you can use them for a number of reasons, even including high dusting if you choose to buy the different extensions. The next item on my list is going to be Autoban disinfectant spray that is eco-friendly. Now, this disinfectant spray can be used on multiple different surfaces, okay? You can use this on toilets, you can use this on sinks, you can use this in kitchens, and pretty much anywhere or any surface that needs to be cleaned. The next item on the list is going to be a 44-gallon large trash can with the dolly. Dolly is the bottom part of the trash can. It has the wheels, so it kind of just clicks into place. And push it around to each garbage can, emptying the trash bags into the garbage, meaning you're going to take that trash bag out, tie a knot, throw it into the large trash can that you're going to be pushing around. And this is going to help you keep the garbage with you while you're going around and collecting it so that you don't have to circle back. The next item is going to be a trash can caddy bag. Now, what is that? This is a bag that is going to be strapped around the actual trash can. The 44-gallon trash can that we were just talking about, it has a strap. So it's going to go around and it clips around the trash can from the front and the back, and it has multiple different pockets for all of your different supplies. So you can put your glass cleaner, your disinfectant, your rags, your duster, your gloves, your everything. You can actually put on this caddy, and it's going to help you get the cleaning products from area to area. Of course, you want to have an extended duster. Now, why should they extend? Because there are going to be very high to reach places in these commercial accounts that you guys are going to be cleaning. And you want to make sure that you can reach the vents, any types of fans, and of course just get rid of all the dust. So having that extended duster is going to help you with not just the high dusting but also the low dusting. You can go ahead and extend that out and even hit the baseboards with it. Included in this commercial cleaning starter kit pro version. Our next item is a 36-quart Rubbermaid mop and bucket with the wringer. This is a commercial cleaning mop. You are not going to want to bring an cedar mop or some kind of sponge mop into a professional building. Now, why is that? Well, number one, it's not going to cover enough floor for you. Cleaning a house floors is completely different than cleaning commercial floors because of how much more floor there is to clean. Now, using this type of mop bucket and wringer is more efficient, as I had mentioned earlier in this video, meaning you are going to be able to cover more floor using a professional janitorial mop versus using a mop that you would use in someone's home. Just think about it. The cedar mops are great and I love them, but those are for houses. They're about maybe this big, right? In circumference. A janitorial mop head is about this long and this wide, which means it's going to cover more floor and save you a lot of time and money, of course, and labor. We have the mop in the bucket. You're also going to need the commercial clamp style mop handle. And what is that? That is the actual mop stick. And it's usually made of wood with a handle at the bottom that is a clamp. So this is where you're going to be putting in the mop head that we were just talking about. You can open up the clamp whenever you'd like so that you can throw these mop heads into the washer machines. The next item on my list is going to be a toilet brush. Now you're going to need to utilize a toilet brush in where, you guessed it, the toilets of the facilities that you're cleaning. You want to have a dustpan and a lobby broom. The dustpan and the lobby broom are great when you don't need to take out the vacuum, right? You might have just a couple of pieces of paper on the floor, or maybe some items that just don't necessarily need you to go ahead and take that heavy equipment out. It is always great to have a dustpan and lobby broom on hand at all of your commercial cleaning facilities. Next on the list is the carrying caddy. This carrying caddy, you're going to be able to put cleaning supplies and products in to tote around with you. Next up on the list, and is super freaking important to have, is a laser measuring tool. Now with this tool, you're going to be able to perform walkthroughs professionally and accurately. This tool you're going to use to measure all of the cleanable square footage when doing your initial walkthrough before coming up with a proposal. That way you know exactly how many cleanable square feet there actually are. There have been many times when clients have told me that their facility was 2,300 square feet or 1,800 square feet, and then I get there, use my handy laser measuring tool, and come to find out it's anywhere from 500 to an extra 1,000 square feet. The last item on this list is going to be a microfiber wet dry flat mop, which is super helpful for cleaning up the floors and not having to take out that large vacuum. Now these microfiber flat mops are pretty long in size and kind of short in height, and that will help you quickly get items off the floor. It collects dust and particles. I do want to mention that there are some amazing extras that bring a lot of value when purchasing this Cleaning Business Starter Course Pro version. And we can all say thank you to one of my mentors, Mr. AJ Simmons, the founder of Biz Network. He is going to be throwing in 1 year of free membership to the Biz Network. Now, Biz Network is a cleaning community that I am a part of, and I have been for quite some time. You are going to get so much out of this community. So let's just hear what's included for that year membership. We have his Cleaning Business Starter Course. We have the CBN private networking group where you guys can mingle and network with other cleaning business owners. He has some amazing bidding calculators. He has some awesome proposal generators, service agreement templates, commercial cleaning leads that are optional, and so much more. So again, you guys are going to get 1 year free membership to the Biz Network, and everything that I had listed, that is included. Be sure to check out the link in the description of this video. Also down below in the description of this video, I am going to be including a link to the Biz Network Conference 2024 that is going down at the end of February to the 1st of March. We're going to be in Vegas for 3 full days, networking and learning from some of the best in the cleaning industry. If you guys can make it, please be sure to check out that link. AJ has provided us with payment options